Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix delay on Fubo, like audio not matching video or video playing late. If your Fubo stream feels slow or out of scan, don't worry, just follow this step easily. Fubo needs a strong and stable internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working well. If possible, move close to your Wi-Fi router. Slow internet is the main reason for delay. Close the Fubo app completely, then open it again and play the channel. This refreshes the stream and often fix delay. Restarting your iPhone, TV or streaming device. Turn it off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary problems. Open Fubo settings. Change video quality from higher to medium. Lower quality helps reduce lag and delay. And go to App Store, search for Fubo and check for updates. Old app version can cause delay issue. Check for the system update on your device. Update software helps app run smoothly. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.